Hello, we are Group 26. For this project, we are going to use Twitter to retrieve cryptocurrency information. For this presentation, first we're going to talk about overall goal, then we talk about our design for our application, then finally it's the techniques we're going to use and implement in this application. The overall goal is to create a Twitter search engine to retrieve the most relevant and up-to-date information about the cryptocurrency market. The user can give some queries related to the cryptocurrency market. The search engine collects a stream of tweets with the last hour, classifies them according to whether they are related to the crypto market, and return the most relevant tweets to the user. Here is an example. The user has some bitcoins, and the value of the bitcoin dropped dramatically in the last 30 minutes. The user opens the application and inputs the query Bitcoin drop. The application returns a list of tweets that best describe the reason for the drop in the value of Bitcoin. There are four main components in our design. First is the retrieval component. This will retrieve all the information we need. Second is classification component that will classify the tweets we need to show in the result, and the GUI part that is the interface for the user, and also the evaluation. This will evaluate our results of the application. The main procedure of our application is described in the flowchart. Initially, it just collects strings of keywords. Then we pre-process the data, such as past tweets and remove duplicates. Then we mining the data and gather the results. There is a potential extension of this part. It's the crawler. It will crawl news articles of keywords using the Twitter API, then compare the results. There are also some tasks performed in the search engine. They are listed at the right-hand side. There is a picture of our GUI prototype. You can set different parameters and the techniques to use the search engine. For information retrieval, we have three techniques: Boolean IR, vector IR with weighting scheme, and the comparison function. The last is probabilistic IR with term independence. For classification, we also have three techniques: support vector machines, random forest, and neural networks. We will try all these techniques and compare the results and choose the best one. We divided the work into 4 parts. Each group member is responsible for a single part. At the same time, we all involve into different parts. This will guarantee that we are clear about the progress and the structure of the application. We are going to use Python and the Jupyter Notebook for the implementation. And also, there are lots of Python libraries and methods already exist, so we can use them. There's a list of what kind of library and method we're going to use. The parts we're going to implement from scratch is basically the information retrieval part. Include all 3 techniques we're going to use. Also, the potential web crawler is also need to implement if we want that. That's our presentation. We look forward for your feedback. Thank you.